You've spent hours tweaking every margin, padding, and font weight. Your wireframe is finally a polished, pixel-perfect layout in Figma. The design is done, but then reality sets in. The project is really only half finished. Now you have to cross the development gap. That means opening up a blank WordPress page and rebuilding that exact same design, piece by piece, inside Elementor. You're no longer creating. Instead, you are meticulously checking pixel values, setting up containers, and dragging over widgets. You've gone from a creative professional to a data entry clerk. Recreating the exact same layout twice eats up your creative energy and creates a massive bottleneck that keeps you from taking on new clients. So what if you could skip that entire manual rebuild phase? That is exactly what the Figma to Elementor AI plugin is built to do. The plugin acts as an intelligent visual translation assistant, mapping the actual hierarchy and grouping of your design. It repairs that broken project timeline, allowing your design and development phases to happen in one fluid motion. Under the hood, the plugin uses OpenAI's vision model. It sees your design like a human developer, mapping out relationships, parents, children, and containers. Then it translates those groupings into clean, native Elementor code. The Vision AI operates as a fluent translator, converting the static language of Figma directly into the dynamic components of WordPress. To see this in action, the whole process takes exactly 4 steps. Step 1, highlight the section or frame you want directly inside your Figma file. Step 2, click the Convert with AI button on the plugin interface and let the model analyze the selection. Step 3, hit Copy once the agent provides the generated code. And Step 4, right-click your blank Elementor canvas and choose Paste from Other Site to drop in the live, editable widgets. What previously required an hour of meticulous measuring and dragging is now completed with a single copy and paste keystroke. Now, let's talk technical realities. AI models have specific operational limits, known as token limits and context lengths. If you try to push a massive, highly complex homepage through all at once, the system can get confused. You'll get much cleaner output if you feed it chunk by chunk, converting your design section by section. You will also likely need to do a little bit of manual cleanup, like uploading vector fills as background images or adjusting a button's padding. But spending 2 minutes applying manual touch-ups easily beats spending 2 entire days building a layout from scratch. Put the original static Figma file side by side with the live WordPress site, and the structural accuracy speaks for itself. You walk away with clean, functional web code, but the ultimate deliverable you get from this tool is reclaimed time. Think about your project hours. This workflow eliminates over 90% of that manual, repetitive clicking, letting you reclaim the bulk of your schedule. You can take those hours and put them toward higher-level strategy, refining the user experience, or simply taking on more client work. Removing manual data entry from the build process shifts your output from a few projects a month to a few projects a week. You can test this workflow completely risk-free. The free tier gives you 5 conversions a month to see it for yourself. And when you are ready for a paid subscription, it functions as an investment that pays for itself in a single afternoon of saved labor. Check the link in the description below to install the plugin today. Reclaim your time, optimize your workflow, and officially stop doing the exact same work twice.